Hi friends, welcome back. Friends, we will discuss Excel or figure word convert figure word use text use currency base words wording change discuss formula use changes additional coding module friends module coding description box mention download link use VB paste formula video complete formula mention friends video channel subscribe friends share channel follow subscribe friends video yeah friends we discuss figure words automatically Excel video friends Excel open petty cash voucher format just format expense account and description and amount 50,000 mention words 15,000 rupees formula use formula spell number formula Excel available okay formula available visual basic VB additional coding okay lengthy coding text coding coding lengthy coding coding in the notepad description box link link text okay first coding VB copy paste copy notepad full coding copy developer tab visual basic additional module create okay module create option module click module open okay copy notepad coding paste okay paste save button click okay yes macro enable okay close figure formula spell number formula spell number enter okay amount click select 15,000 rupees and no paisa okay coding difference dollars AED Moman Real change coding changes coding okay fills send mention okay yeah friends video discuss Excel figure word convert formula use VB changes additional coding coding in the description box coding and the description box download link download friends video channel subscribe friends share channel follow subscribe friends informative video bye take care.